Hello everyone, and welcome back to Whoa, that went fast. Anyway, hello everyone, and welcome back to Zoo 2 Animal Park. What was that? What is this? Like to manage your game. Okay. I guess. Time's up. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm like one visitor away though. This happens every okay, I just gotta get those visitors, like dang. Okay. So last time, I got an animal. It was a pig, which I don't really have. I thought that was gonna give people... like, more experience. I mean, it did. I'm almost positive. We were at 30-something last time. There's a trash can, people! There's a trash can. Ugh. Okay, let's get started on the day then. There you go. Seriously, I have trash cans, but like, did they get full fast or something? Like, am I gonna have to add more trash cans so people stop leaving stuff? Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Seriously. What's with this trash? Is that everything? Is that everyone? I think that is everyone. Oh, this poor little lonely enclosure. But I don't have anything to like... do because, like, how many experience? 32. So... I wonder if it'll tell me how much experience something gives. Never mind. It won't let me buy it. It won't... I have have a bunny and I have a new enclosure. But, wait, that didn't pause it, did it? No, okay. Seriously, there's gotta be somewhere I can put this. Can I move the rocks? No. Can I move that? Nope. Okay. Okay. That's a bummer. Wait, what? Was that a thing for new animals? Because I can't, because I don't have enough dumb. I wanted to see if I can get one more decoration. Do I have, like, decorations that I can already put down? Nope. I want decorations, darn it. Okay. So you can have up to 20, and they give 2. So that would be 40. That would be just enough, so I only need 32. So I'll buy those. Maybe like make like a little yay, new visitors, see? And I have a pretty thing of flowers. Like a little field. There. Take it. Animals. Yes, yes, I know. You would like to see new animals. I want to get new animals. I really do. Do I have enough? Well, at least I have enough visitors. I want to get this kind of started, so I'm going to go. And so, I'm going to be right back, guys, and I'll see you in a sec. Bye. Well, not bye, but like I'll see you in a second. And we're back. Almost. Still gotta quickly load into the game. But you have a gift every time. You'll get a gift every time one of your friends levels up. They give us a gift for doing. I would get a new animal, but oh yeah, it needs a path. I'm a master at this now. About paths and stuff. Huzzah! Okay. Here, can they get to it now? I think so. I know I have a new enclosure, but I bought the wrong type. I wonder if I can sell it. I wonder if I can sell it and buy a new enclosure. Or buy something else. I want to sell it. It won't let me, will it? No, I don't know how. Oh, I wonder where that went. I was like, I couldn't see it for a second and I got concerned. Wait, what? I don't like it all the way up there. Get over here. Good. At least now I can kind of see it. No, not really. I wish bunnies would fit. Like, do they even have any grass? Like, plains animals that I can, like, ever? No, because what's the point of this? I shouldn't have bought this thing. Well, at least I know for sure. Well, why is it down here? Well, at least I know for sure now. I mean, I wish I could get you a friend. I wonder if I could. I don't think so, but I wonder if I could. Don't have enough. Didn't I buy one already? No. Oh, they look so cute. I don't know what to do. Wait, are those troughs? Ooh, I can get a trough for the pig. I'll do that. I'll get a trough for the pig if I can fit it. We don't already have one? Yeah, I do. Oops. Yes, see? I get a trough for the piggy. And then the piggy can eat. And I don't have to okay, well, there you go. There's food. Piggy. Oh, I gotta put it in there, yeah. Duh. There. Do I have to buy it? Okay. Then I will get it for the horse, maybe. Oh, requires planes enclosure. Can I stick it over here then? Like in the one I'm not using? Yeah, like that one. And then just let it sit. I don't know. Yes! How lovely. I am happy to entrust Ellsworth to your care. I will visit him often. Yes! We have the bird! Yay! A new animal. And I leveled up and got all this new stuff. Our visitors say we should network with other zoos. Any idea how we could do that? Invite friends, apparently. Oh, yay! And with that said, wait, I want to see, do I have Ellsworth now? Oh, yay! He's so cute. Yay! 1, 2, wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 visitors. Oh, and there's the mayor already. Hats off. The zoo turned out to be quite nice. The zoo can stay for now. Yeah, hooray! We did it! Finally. Hallelujah! The zoo can stay. Aunt Josephine would be so proud. I wonder who sent us this little panda. Come on, we'll make everything really nice for our visitors. We'll need shops, toilets, flowers, and let's make the new really pretty visitors. Well, with all that said, it's time to wrap up. So, we got Ellsworth, which I'm really happy about, and we're actually moving on with our lives in the zoo, which is great. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!